Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Somebody told me one time that all good things have to come to an end, you know. But I also know that some things never die. Listen to me. When it's said and it's done, and I'm waiting for the medics to come, cause I done took them flesh shredders to the head of the lung. Don't cry, homie, I had a competitive run. The good times were a blessing, nobody said it'd be fun. We all died, and my time had already begun. When moms pushed me out the womb from that bed in 81. We ain't had much, but mom and pop stayed together, prayed together, made a way together, made sure that I was fed every crumb. Had clothes in the bed every month, left little notes with them scriptures, and I read every one. Still did the street thing with the lead of the gun. At 18 I met God, that's when the pledge had begun. For 5 years I cried tears for the dead and the young. That's why I always broke bread with the slum. Don't forget where you're from, it's okay dawg, your papa was a soldier. Go ahead, lift your head up my son, I'm still here.
I'm always gonna be by your side. No matter what you're going through, I swear I'm always gonna be by your side.
God bless the day.
Don't cry,
this is for my brother, rest in peace dog, I miss you. Yeah, we laughed together, cried together, walked to junior high together, stole candy from the liquor store, went home, broke the pie together, got caught, lied together. If we fought, we'd ride together. You'd be like, come on blaze up, we need to get high together. First friend I ever had, the apple of my eye forever. I miss you so much dog, I wish that we had died together. I keep your memory wherever I go, and every prayer I'm like, Lord please take care of my bro. But I had to grind here for the last 9 years without my bigger bro. No more, what's up little nigga, what they hitting for? Feel guilty cause I didn't know how short life really was. Remember when I tried to sing and you be like, you silly cuz. I hope by now you feel me blood. Baby bro is grown now, you got a nephew on the way. I'm living on my own now, I just hope you home now. Even though I want my relly back, I know if you could hear me, all you do is smile and tell me that
I'm always gonna be by your side. Don't matter what you're going through, no, I swear I'm always gonna be by your side. Don't cry, because I'm only a prayer.
My child, I love you, you were elected, handpicked and selected to bear my name. It's more than a cross and chain, see the cross is pain. So pick up the cross, my child, I give you joy, smile. Through the rain, through the pouring fame. When people change, I'll stay the same and still remain faithful, grateful for the times we spent and the times you went and did what you did. I forgave you, so I forget what it was. For the rag you chose and the path that shows you know the blood has covered you when people shot at you and hit a few you knew was real good men. I'm no longer there, some are here but have no fear. I'm aware that you care for them, but the world needs you now, so care for them. Will you be there for them like I'm there for you? 7 leave the hood to heaven, and eternal rest with me is prepared for you.
I'm always gonna be by your side. 'Cause it don't matter what you're going through, I swear I'm always gonna be by your side. Don't cry, dry your eyes, dry your eyes. Everything's gonna